Timing and sequencing animations. Taking control of your slides. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a really exciting topic in our presentation design and visual aids series. Timing and sequencing animations using PowerPoint or other similar presentation software. These features can make your presentations more dynamic, engaging, and professional. So, let's get started. First off, what exactly are animations and transitions? These are visual effects in presentation software that allow you to control how and when your content appears on your slides. Animations are effects applied to individual elements on a slide, like a text box or an image, while transitions control how the presentation moves from one slide to the next. Timing is essential when it comes to animations. It determines how long an animation takes to complete and when it starts. To set the timing of an animation: 1. Select the object you want to animate. 2. Click on the animation pane in your software. 3. Choose the animation effect you want. 4. Then, adjust the duration to set how long the animation lasts. 5. Use delay to control when the animation starts relative to other events on the slide. Remember, your animation's timing should fit with the pace of your speech and the content of your presentation. Sequencing refers to the order in which your animations occur. A well-planned sequence can guide your audience's attention and make your presentation easier to follow. In the animation pane, animations are listed in the order they occur. You can change the sequence by simply dragging the animations up or down in this list. Moreover, you can decide whether your animations start on click, which means you need to click the mouse or press a key for the animation to start, with previous, meaning the animation will start at the same time as the previous one, or after previous, where the animation starts immediately after the previous one ends. Transitions are not just about how one slide moves to the next, they also involve timing. When setting up transitions: 1. Select a slide in the Slide Navigator pane. 2. Click on the Transitions tab. 3. Choose the transition effect you want to use. 4. Adjust the duration to control how long the transition lasts. You can also set the transition to start on click or after a certain number of seconds, allowing you to control when you move to the next slide. And that's it for today's topic on timing and sequencing animations. Remember, controlling the timing and sequencing of your animations and transitions can help you deliver more engaging and professional presentations. Practice these techniques, experiment with different settings, and see how they can improve your presentations. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep learning, and happy presenting.